Hello fellow adventurers and welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Dandy.
Together we are
McPeek
Adventures, the channel that's taking you all around Tulsa and the surrounding areas. Danny, what's our adventure today?
We are doing something a little different. We got something cool in the mail, so we wanted to show you. My sister stopped by the Coca-Cola store at Disney Springs in Orlando, Florida, and had a custom handmade for us, and it arrived. So we want to open it and show you guys when we're opening it together.
Let's go box opening.
All right, got my handy dandy knife over here. We're just gonna open this guy carefully. It has this cool Coca-Cola tape on the outside. Handle with care, fragile.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
All right.
Would you like to unpack the box?
Are you sure?
Yes. Here we go. Got some bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap.
Always important.
Oh, it's like...
Oh. There it is, guys.
It's like a mystery container.
Looks like this side might be popped open.
Are you popping it?
Okay.
Oh!
Oh, there she is.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Coca-Cola.
Hopefully you guys can see that. And...
McPeek Adventures!
Hey!
Oh, I love it. It's got those palm
there it
trees,
is.
and I love palm trees. And this will just go on a shelf and be displayed.
Yeah. So how do people get one of these?
So, if you are in Orlando, Florida for any amount of time, if you're there for vacation or if you live there, you can stop by the Coca-Cola store and have this made in store, and I believe you can pick it up that day if it's for you, or you can have it shipped elsewhere. So you can get that taken care of at Disney Springs, or you can go to the Coca-Cola website and do a custom can or bottle. There's some other options there, but you may go and check that out if this is something that you would like to get for yourself.
And I believe that there are a bunch of different designs that you can choose from. So if you're not wanting it to be beachy like ours, you could pick something different, but we love the beach, so that's what we've got here.
You can also pick which product it goes on. It does not have to be the red Coca-Cola can. So that's pretty neat. But thank you to my sister for doing this for us. This is very special and very unique, and we just had to have it.
All right, well, we hope you had fun, and what do you got to say about our channel?
If you want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.